We are on pages 70 and 71 in the science book. Microorganisms, health and illnesses. Do you think you're healthy? This question might make you think about your diet and exercise routines, or simply whether or not you have any health problems. These ideas are not wrong, but they are incomplete because they only take into account physical health. However, health also includes mental or psychological health. For example, when you are unmotivated, you have less interest in doing daily activities like studying or playing with friends, and this can affect your health. Your social surroundings also affect your health. A good quality of life, shelter, water, and waste disposal are all necessary in order to be healthy. Being healthy includes your physical, mental, and social well-being. In other words, what is needed is a balance of the body, mind, and surroundings. What happens if something changes this balance? Physical means of the body, tangible, concrete; mental, of the mind; social, of the people, places, and things around you. When you have the flu, you feel down. Sometimes we have a fever or a cold that affects our health. This means we feel sick or ill. Illnesses are defined as changes that affect our organism's balance in a negative way. Illnesses or diseases can be transmitted in many ways: through a wound, contaminated water or food, the air, or an animal or insect bite. There are certain illnesses that we can avoid through vaccines, good hygiene, healthy eating, and routine medical checkups, like COVID-19. Types of illnesses. How many times have you been sick in your life? It is hard to count how many times you were sick or remember why, because it is normal to get sick once in a while. Microorganisms are the smallest living beings on Earth. They are not visible to the naked eye, but can be seen with a microscope. Illnesses can be classified in different ways, one being their origin or source. Degenerative diseases are caused by the deterioration or aging of an organ. Alzheimer's disease is degenerative. It affects the brain by causing progressive memory loss. Infectious diseases are caused by microorganisms. They can act fast and are very contagious, like COVID-19. The common flu is an example of an infectious disease. Or COVID-19. Deficiency diseases are caused by the lack or deficiency of necessary nutrients. One example is anemia, which is caused by a lack of iron and vitamin D. Parasitic diseases are caused by parasites that live inside or outside our bodies and have negative effects. For example, teniasis is caused by a type of tapeworm that stays in the small intestine and affects the absorption of nutrients. Classify each illness according to its origin. Rickets is characterized by soft bones because of a lack of vitamin D. That is a deficiency. A group of students has lice. These insects feed on blood, causing irritation and wounds on the scalp, which is the skin of the head. It's a parasitic disease. Damien has a cold. He feels weak and sneezes often. His sister, who was taking care of him, woke up with similar symptoms. That is infectious. Tom's grandfather has Parkinson's disease. This disease causes degeneration of parts of the brain that is degenerative. Being healthy means having a balance between the body, mind, and surroundings. Illnesses change the balance in your body and negatively affect it.